Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my new clothes heater. Right, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. This is I don't know what, and this is a wick. I'm going to show you the igniter. And you see that purple thing when I press the ignition button? This igniter is powered. See, for see batteries. I don't know why it's that. Well, this is a manual shut off. Oops. This is the manual shut off. If this doesn't work, this knob doesn't make the wick go down, you can use the manual shut off. Now it does work, makes the wick go down. It's made it go down. Also, this thing's made in Japan. And this thing's called El Pesa. And here's the kerosene. You may be asking, where do you put the tech? It's right here. Not now, I cannot take it off because it'll stop flowing to the wick. I don't. This is also premium quality. And guess the price, $100,000. This is a buzzing down sound. I don't know what came with that. We owned one, but we sold it before. Well, guys, I gotta go because my mom's behind me. Bye, guys.